Good morning, my dear students. I hope everyone is okay and also still fine. Today it's our next topics. We have also explained our new topics. Here's the new topics. It's the eukaryotic topics. We have today I just explained. Here's the in the previous class I have also explained the living world. Here's the living world. The scientist, the R.H. Whitaker and also the Margulis, they have explained the living worlds, the living world. The kingdom, here's the super kingdom 1 and also the super kingdom 2. The super kingdom 1 is the prokaryota and super kingdom 2 is the eukaryota. Super kingdom prokaryota, in the previous class we have also explained the idea and also we have get known the idea. The super kingdom 1, the only one kingdom, Monera. And the super kingdom 2, the eukaryota, they are also the 4 structure and 4 kingdom. 2 number kingdom is the protista, 3 number kingdom is the fungi, plantain and animalia. My dear students, in the previous class we have also explained the kingdom Monera and also the super kingdom 2, the eukaryotic, only one structure, protista. Here's the kingdom Monera. We have also know the examples is the bacteria, blue-green algae. The super kingdom 2, eukaryota, they have also the examples, the amoeba, paramecium, etc., etc. My dear students, the eukaryotic structure, another structure is the kingdom 3, fungi. So let's start. What's the meaning of the fungi and the where it come from? Here's the fungi, very important topics for your exam and also the fungi characteristics. Now most of them are the terrestrial, saprophytic or parasitic. Saprophytic, they are also collect them for their living, the another food. They are collect from the other structure and the parasitic. We have also know the word is the parasitic, parasitism, etc., etc. Their body is constituted of a single cell or mycelium. Please everyone underline the word is the mycelium. What's the meaning of mycelium? Mycelium is the narrow, tape like part. The nucleus is well organized, so they are also the eukaryotic because nucleus is the well organized. The cell wall is composed of chitin. Another word is the cell wall is composed of chitin. Here's the cell wall. The plantain have also the well structured cell wall. They are also the cellulose, and the bacteria they have also the cell wall is the another word is the glycolipid or the peptidoglycan. And we have also know the fungi have also well organized cell wall. The another word is the chitin. So please everyone underline this word, the chitin. Now their mode of nutrition is absorption. The photosynthetic apparatus chloroplast is absent. So it's also the main topics and the main hints because they have no any chloroplast, so they can't take their foods from the photosynthetic structure. Now they reproduce by haploid spores and their cells divide through mitotic cell division. What's the meaning of the haploid? My dear students, we have in the biology we have also know some words. First word is the haploid. If the chromosome is also one, it's also another word is the haploid. The word is the haploid. H-A-P-L-O-I-D. Haploid means only one chromosome or the ant-shaped chromosome. Another word is also known the diploid. Yes, the word is the diploid is the chromosome have also 2 end or 2 type structure. So haploid main structure they reproduce by haploid spores and their cells divide through mitotic cell division. So It's also another topic, that's mitotic cell division. Examples, the fungi, it's come from the yeast, penicillium, mushroom, etc. Mushroom, it's also famous, delicious food. As now, our next kingdom is the plantain. Here's the plantain. We have also draw a figure. The plantain is the moss, sperm, gymnosperm and angiosperm. My dear friends, I have also drawn the plantain shape structure of the plantain. They are. We have also drawn first structure is the moss, the important structure. They are also adapted. By adapted, first is the moss and second structure is the fern, second is the fern and third is the gymnosperm and the another structure is the angiosperm, gymnosperm and the last is the angiosperm, angios, angiosperm. So, moss, sperm, gymnosperm and angiosperm. So, please everyone see the carefully and see the books, the kingdom Plantain characteristics. They are photosynthetic and the eukaryotic. So, main structure is the photosynthetic. Here's the photosynthetic. They can produce their own food. Yes. Advanced tissue systems are found in them. Advanced tissue. They have also the xylem and phloem. It's also advanced tissue system. They develop embryos and diploid stage starts from it. They develop embryos. Here's the embryos. The word is also come from the sperm and another structure is the egg. First is the sperm and second is the egg. When they can formation with together, the another word is the fertilization. And here is the end and here is the end. They are also the haploid. The word is the haploid on the end. And when they are together, the two ends, they are the another word is the diploid. So, diploid, again I am also repeat, they develop embryos and diploid stage starts from it. Diploid, not only D, it's also D-I-P-L-O-I-D, sorry for mistake. Now, they are mostly terrestrial but there are also many aquatic species in the kingdom. Their sexual reproduction is anisogamous. Anisogamous. I just explained what's the meaning of the anisogamous. Here's the anisogamous. A-N-N-I-S-O. Iso. G-A-M-O-U-S. And iso means two shaped structure. One is the big and another is the small. Here, if I give you example, the egg is big structure, big gamete, and the sperm is the spore is the small. When they are formed, the formation is also the anisogamous. Here's again I am also repeat their sexual reproduction is anisogamous. The sexual reproduction which is happened by union of structurally and the physically different gametes. Again, the anisogamous, it's come from the word is the sexual reproduction which is happened by union of structurally and physically different gametes. They are archegoniad plants with the female reproductive organs and flowering plants. They are archegoniads. Another word is the archegoniads means which have grown the parts of the flower shaped structure. Another word is the archegoniad. Examples: advanced green plants. Here's the division of plantain are shown in the chart below. Moss, fern, gymnosperm and the angiosperm. My dear students, the last structure and the last kingdom, Animalia. Here we are also the category of the Animalia. Now, characteristics. They are eukaryotic and multicellular animals. Their cells do not have non-living cell walls, plastids or vacuoles in them. As there are no plastids in their cells, they are heterotrophs. In other words, heterotrophs. What's the meaning of heterotrophs? Here's the heterotroph. The meaning is which animal or which living structure they can't their food produce own. Another word is the heterotroph or the heterotrophics or autotrophics. Example, plant, they can produce their own food. So the plant is the autotrophics, but us, we, the heterotrophics. Now, the heterotrophs, and so they depend on other organisms for their food. After ingestion, they digest their food. They have advanced and complex tissue systems. Sexual reproduction is their usual way of reproduction. Haploid gametes are usually produced in the reproductive organs of mature and diploid males and females. Embryonic layers are developed at their time of their embryonic developments. So, the animal kingdom. In the animal kingdom, we have just finished our kingdom. Here's the kingdom. They are, again I repeat, they are two categories. First is the prokaryotic and second is the eukaryotic. Only prokaryotic, they have only one kingdom. Kingdom is the monera, and the eukaryotic, they have also the protista, fungi, plantain and animalia. My dear students, our next topic is the 1.4 different steps of classification. Here's the different steps of classification. In classifying the organisms, codified units or ranks are used in taxonomy, which are called taxa. So, what's the meaning of the taxa? In classifying the organisms, codified units or ranks are used in taxonomy, which are called taxa. The largest classification rank is kingdom, and the smallest classification rank is species. Each rank of taxonomy adds new characteristics to those of the lower rank. The higher the rank, the lower the number of characteristics, and the higher number of living organisms belonging to this rank, the lower the rank. The higher number of characteristics and the number of living beings belonging to this rank. There are 7 main taxonomic ranks according to International Code. Here's the International Code. First, the highest rank. Here, the highest rank is the kingdom. First, just an example. First rank, the highest rank is the kingdom. Second rank is also the kingdom, and kingdom after kingdom, they are also the phylum. Phylum, phylum. My dear students, there have also the rules to write this. Kingdom is the huge animals or the plant structure, and the phylum also the another huge structure. Next step is the class, and next step is the order, family, genus, and last is the species. So, highest is the kingdom and the lowest is the species, and this category is known first, second, third, fourth, fifth, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 category, another word is the taxonomy. Now, the topmost rank is a set, whereas the lower ranks are subsets. The subset of a kingdom is phylum. The subset of phylum is class. The subset of class is order, etc. This system of scientific classification is called nested hierarchy. Please everyone underline the word is the nested hierarchy. This structure is a step-by-step structure. The another name is the nested hierarchy. Again, in order to avoid repetition, the common characteristics of the previous rank are often not mentioned in the next rank. If we follow the above mentioned system, the taxonomic rank of human being, Homo sapiens, we are like this: kingdom, Animalia. Cells with distinct nucleus, multicellular, the heterotrophs and they have complex tissue system. Phylum, Chordata, because we have the vertebrate. Process not occurred in any one phase of life. Plus, Mammalia. Feed their young on milk and their body is covered with hair. Order. We have 5 fingers. 1 finger is this structure and 4 is this shape. We can take anything to catch carefully. So the word is the primates. Hands with 5 fingers suitable to grasp and vision more developed than sense of smell. Family. Hominid. Similarity with the chimpanzee, gorilla, monkey. Genus. Homo. Brain is bigger compared to the body and can walk erectly on 2 feet. Species Homo sapiens. Wide and high forehead, skull is thinner compared to other species, more intelligent. As a student of biology, one needs to know the reasons for including species in the respective taxonomic rank. Though in the traditional system, the reasons are not written separately. My dear students, today I have also explained another structure. Yes, another structure is the classification, the different steps of classification. Today I just give you homework. Here's the homework. Please everyone write this structure. The page number 11. Kingdom to species. Classify the Homo sapiens. I think today, my dear students, that's all. Goodbye.